Chris, we've just had a comment that says, Chris, I live in London. Can I use you as my mortgage broker?
Good question. Don't matter where you are in the UK, we can deal with clients all over the country. So as long as they're based in the UK, we've got clients in the north of Scotland all the way down to Cornwall. And it doesn't matter where you're based, we can liaise via team calls, video calls, over email, via phone call. No restrictions, you don't have to be local, you don't have to come into the office. And yeah, most of our clients are dotted all over the UK. If you're looking for a mortgage broker or you're unhappy with the current broker that you're using, please feel free to drop us a message, drop us an email, drop us a message through social media. We've got brokers all over the country and we'd be more than happy to help you on your journey. If you want to have a look at a few of our brokers, feel free to have a look at our website at www.gomortgage.co.uk and go to the About Us section and have a look at some of our brokers.